Are you looking for a great home in a sought-after location in Leesburg, Virginia, with over 200 shops, restaurants, and stores nearby, as well as parks, rec centers, and historic Leesburg just a short drive away? Then you are in luck, because we have a great 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath home in the sought-after Edwards Landing neighborhood. Let's take a look at this great home with our 3D model, which you can view 24/7. You can move through this model using your mouse or arrows. To see the 3D view, click on the 3D option on our property website. You can also find lots of other information, including pictures, a brochure, floor plans, and more. As you walk into this home, you will notice the 10-foot ceilings, detailed moldings, wood floors, and carpeting that is meticulously maintained. The family room has columns, great carpeting, and 2 large windows that stream light into the room. There's a powder room conveniently tucked away with a pedestal sink. The living room offers big windows, a fireplace, and a great space to make lots of memories. The kitchen offers a great area for an eat-in space with bright windows. The kitchen also offers a double oven, an island with a gas cooktop, and hardwood floors. The dining room has great detail with chair rail and crown molding and a large bay window, making this a perfect setup for those dinner parties. Let's take a look at upstairs. As you come up the stairs, you will notice the shared bath that offers a tub shower combo. 4 of the 5 bedrooms can be found upstairs. You can notice that all of these bedrooms have ceiling fans. There is additional storage in the hallway, along with the second floor laundry, making it super convenient to do laundry and not have to go up and down the stairs. The master bedroom offers vaulted ceilings with a ceiling fan. There are 2 walk-in closets, his and hers. The master bath offers double sinks, a soaking jacuzzi tub, and a convenient shower setup. On the lower level, you will find a great space for a rec room, as well as other space to be utilized as desired. There's another fireplace in the lower level, as well as a bedroom with a walk-up entrance. A full bath with shower tub combo and the extra storage area complete the lower level. Outside, you will find a great fenced area, great for kids and pets. Your deck is large and spacious enough to enjoy cookouts, family gatherings, and more. This deck has been freshly painted and waiting for its new owners. This home also offers a brand new roof. To take a 3D tour, view photos, floor plans, and more, visit our website, leesburgvahomes.net. If you're interested in this property or have questions, please call Jeff Lubell at 703-999-8707.